Explorer is an innovative equipment for moving loads up to 20 tons. Explorer sets new standards for efficiency, safety, and versatility in heavy load handling. Thanks to Mouvers' exclusive electromechanical traction, it can operate where others stop, overcoming small slopes and crossing uneven floors. To achieve the best grip-to-smoothness ratio, the wheels of the Explorer system are made of pro-grip polymer paired with polyamide wheels. The tilting turntable allows the load to be distributed evenly across all wheels on the ground, ensuring traction is never lost. Explorer has no rotation limits and can turn on its own center within a turning diameter of only 1 meter. The support plate of all skates features threaded holes to allow the secure fastening of the load, eliminating any possibility of slipping. All-wheel traction drive system. The speed is proportionally adjustable from the radio remote control. The reduced dead weight of RTL rear skates allows for handling and transport without the need of other equipment. Thanks to a special tilting system, regardless of small steps or various obstacles, the load is evenly distributed across all wheels. Its reduced size and weight allow it to fit into a normal car, so you can always take it with you. Explorer moves loads up to 20 tons in challenging conditions safely.